oftentimes as an undergraduate or postgraduate student at the research stage of your academic program, or as a researcher seeking to embark on a research exercise, one is faced with the task of deciding or giving answers to the following questions. In what area of my field of study will I want to conduct a research? What are the current trends or research directions in this area of my field of study? What has been done in these research directions so far? Has any of these issues or research problems been overflogged? If overflogged, how can I take a new direction? But if not overflogged, what contributions can I make? What then should be my topic? How do I construct a good topic? These are the questions that could put a look of frustration on one's face. If these questions cannot be answered, needing answers to these questions could make you surf the internet for answers with looks of frustration at any point in time. In this video, I will be showing easily comprehensible steps to getting each of these questions answered. In other words, getting a good project topic using the Google search engine. Please like and share this video. Also, kindly endeavor to subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscription button and thereafter turning on your notification bell to enable you get notifications when we go live or drop a new video. Thank you. Now let us begin with step 1. To start the whole process of getting a good project or research topic, one must be able to decide on what area of one's field of study one would love to conduct one's research. For instance, if one was to major in statistics and would want to write a research on statistics, then one must be able to decide on what area in the field of statistics one would want to conduct a research. Could this area be time series analysis, experimental design, sample survey, econometrics, Bayesian inference, etc.? One out of these lot must be decided upon to enable the commencement of the process of getting a good topic. Once you have successfully completed step 1, you can now proceed to step 2. In step 2, we search for current trends or research directions in that area of your field. This involves asking the question, what kind of research are currently being conducted in this area? In other words, are researchers currently seeking to develop new techniques or methods in this area, or are they currently seeking to modify existing techniques or methods in this area, or are they currently seeking only to apply existing techniques in this area to solving real-life problems? Now, let us assume that one has chosen to research on time series analysis in the area of statistics. This would mean searching for current research trends in the area of time series analysis. So I could easily open up my mobile phone and then go to the Google search engine. In the Google search engine, I will type in current research trends in time series analysis. In this instance, from my search, it gave several results, most of which were about latest trends in time series analysis. As we scroll from the top to the bottom of the page, now going back to the top of the page shows that one latest trend in time series analysis is the use of machine learning techniques such as artificial neural networks, support vector machines, or random forests to learn complex patterns and nonlinearities from the data.